Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my IGTV. Hope you all are doing well. Well, today I'm going to talk about Inveda. Do you feel your face looks tired? Has pigmentations, dark circles or freckles? Well, here's the answer to all your questions. Yes, I discovered this pure magic during the lockdown. Ta-da! Here's the bottle. Look at the packaging. The packaging itself looks so attractive. And this tiny cute bottle comes with a dropper, which makes sure you use apt amount for each portion of your skin. It's paraben free, it's 100% organic, and it's vegan. All you have to do is take about 2-3 drops of it and apply it on your skin. You can also mix it with your cream and apply it. Well, make sure when you apply it, you massage it evenly on your skin. Make sure that your massage is in a circular motion. Wow, my skin smells amazing. It feels amazing. It feels so relaxed. You can also use it as a primer. It gives you the perfect glow. Let me show you. Ta-da! And I'm ready. You can also apply it at night before you sleep. And when you get up in the morning, say hello to pretty face. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about some of the benefits. It helps in repairing your skin if it's sun damaged. It helps in removing melasma, which means you have fresh, fair and glowing skin. Look at this. My skin already feels ready, healthy and rejuvenated. Well, I'm sure even you need and wish for a healthy skin. This is your answer. So, don't be late. Go to their page right now and you can also avail some amazing discounts. You can thank me later. Bye-bye.